Alrighty, we got our thumbs up. Drivers behind the lines. In 3, 2, 1, go.
And that marks the start of match number 15 as robots rush across the field to grab game objects to score. We see Overly Complex trying to get an auto balance in, just as Entropy does for the Blue Alliance. Moving into Teleop, we have a score of 12-38 in favor of the Red Alliance. Bionics quickly scores a cone over on the blue grid, just as Bob does the same. Overly Complex brings a cube over into their community to score, accompanied by their other Alliance members. Wyndham Windup and Mechanical Advantage rush into their loading zone to grab more pieces as Bob scores a cone up on the highest level. Entropy helps out, trying to score a cone in that mid-level. Bionics brings over another cone for the Blue Alliance, just as Mechanical Advantage leaves their community to go back to the loading zone. Wyndham Windup brings a cone to score on the mid-level, as Overly Complex brings a cube of its own. Mechanical Advantage rushes back with another cone, just as Bionics brings a cube to score on the mid-level. Bob places a cone in the mid-level for that Blue Alliance. Entropy brings a cone over to score on the mid-level, just as Wyndham Windup brings a cube, completing another link, bringing their total up to 4 for the Red Alliance. The Blue Alliance isn't too far behind with 3 links of their own, and Bionics rushing back to help them complete a new one. Overly Complex scores a cube in the hybrid zone as Wyndham Windup scores a cone, completing another link. Entropy brings a cone over into their community. Moving into endgame, we have a score of 85-107 in favor of the Red Alliance. Overly Complex states its claim over that BC dot. We'll see if they get any competition. Robots are still rushing around scoring, not yet touching those charge stations. Bionics and Bob rush back as Wyndham Windup and Mechanical Advantage attempt to balance together. Entropy balances with 1. And that's the end of match number 15. Stay tuned for the results.